Hi everybody, welcome back. If you hear some background noises, it's my furnace, so I apologize for that noise. Today I am actually going to plan in my Erin Condren horizontal planner. Now this is the planner that I normally use for journaling, and I don't really decorate it. I'll throw stickers in it here and there, just like that. It's not very much decorations. You know, I try to do this page. But anyway, today I wanted to use this book, The Modern Farmhouse. And it had so many nice quotes in it. And the coloring is so muted that I thought maybe I would see if I could do a spread in this. So, and the two washi that I'm using are these two little ones. I don't know if you can see the lighting down here, and I apologize. Lighting down here is not so great. Anyway, it's these two little washi, and it was part of this set that I had picked up from Joann's. So anyway, so let's get started. I'm not real sure how I'm going to do this, but I just know that I want to do it. And I don't want really any of this orange to show. So my colors will be muted shades of like pink and like a sage green, these pretty light blues and lilacs. So let's get started with the washi. If I can find, oh, here we go. The beginning. I just got my nails done. She trimmed them down. So how do you like my color? Isn't it pretty? Okay, let's try this. Let's go down here. And I'll alternate these. Oh, that's really pretty. It's hard to find this thin washi. I know I mentioned it in my last video, but it really is hard to find it in the stores. This has little rose gold stars on it. All right, let's do this side now. Let's see, make sure. If I can find this online, the washi that I'm using, I'll make sure I link it down below because it really is a nice set. I mean, if you look, here's one. It's, let me see, it's blue with rose gold. Actually, it's more like a periwinkle with rose gold. They have like a real pretty golden yellow with white trim. They have a pink sparkly washi. Then here's one that has sayings on it. It's too small for me to read. But anyway, it's green and black. And then we have a green, pink, black, and periwinkle polka dot. There's lilac. There's this. It's like a mint green with white and rose gold arrows, like a chevron pattern. And then we have a white background with hearts in different colors. So it's really pretty. Let me go ahead and, these are easy to line up. Okay, let's start with this one. Oh, trying to find the beginning. Let me go the other way. Here we go. And this has silver. So I know that would probably bother some people. But as I've said before, it doesn't bother me because I do this for fun. And you just go with the flow. All right. Oh, that looks so, you see how pretty that is? I don't know if you could see real close up how pretty that is. It's very calming, very mild patterns. I think I hear my son listening to me. I have twin sons. They're 26 years old. They graduated college, and they're home from college. They're twins. I don't know if I said that. They're twins. And they're the greatest kids a mother could ask for. Okay. They're actually the ones who helped me set up all of this stuff. Okay, so that is really pretty. I mean, just like this, it would be enough for me to just not want to do anything else and do my journaling with it. However, I do want to add some stickers. Like this one says, Hello Weekend. And I like that they're so thin. And look at how pretty they are. Like this one says, Be in love with life. Today has been canceled. Today I am happy. Finally the weekend. Think happy, be happy. Best weekend ever. Find happiness in their journey. It's very uplifting and a lot of self-care. Be a nice human. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this one that says Hello Weekend. And I think what I'll do is I will actually put it up here, since I feel like Friday is the beginning of the weekend. So we'll go ahead and put that up there. Nice and cheery. And there was a quote that I saw that I really liked a lot. It was about self-empowerment. It was a clear quote, so you'll see these, but, you know, I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. There's a lot of nice boxes here. I'm saving those for my other planners. Where is that? Hold on one second. I like this be here now. I like that, but that's not what I'm looking for. I like this, no better time than now. I might put that up here, where it's a good day to have a good day. That might go up there too. So let's see. Where is it? I'm sorry. I should have pulled these. Normally I do pull them, but I like these also. Those might go in there. Wow, I didn't realize it was so far back. Oh, here it is. Do everything with so much love in your heart that you would never want to do it any other way. And you know, a lot of times there's people that want to just tear you down and make fun of you for being a good person, or just trying to ruin your good vibes. Don't let them do that to you. Oh, this fits perfectly in there. Oh, that's so nice. It's kind of, you know, it goes over the washi, but I don't care. Oh, I think I put it on crooked. Is that crooked, you guys? Let me see. Just a little bit off. That's all right. Then let's see. So I really love that. That's a great way to start a Monday with a quote like that. And then I like this. Design a life you love. So that's really cute. Always keep joy in your heart. That's kind of like what this says. Can you see what I'm looking at? Make life wonderful. You were made to do hard things, so just believe in yourself. Since this is journaling, I don't need these boxes to be functional. So, oh, these are pretty. Oh, that might be a little too big for those boxes. I did like this one. Doesn't really, well, kind of goes with the purple. It says relax. So I'm just going to go ahead and go for it. Let me make sure it's straight. Okay, relax. And then with this side, this book is just so pretty, and I've been holding on to it. But I was like, I gotta use it. No sense in hanging on to it. Live more, worry less. I like that. Especially on a Friday. That'd be great for Friday. Let's see, let me start from here. Okay. Live more and worry less. That's good. And then I think I'm going to put it's a good day to have a good day on top over here. There you go. So that's nice. And then just these two boxes. I think I wanted to put back here. Oh, Saturday. That'd be cute. I'll do a coffee first on Saturday, but I want to see if I can put something that's a little green, some green in there. Or maybe on Saturday get it done. Yeah, let's do get it done. Let's actually put that. No, because it is my journal. That's more of a productive thing to do. I think the coffee first would be cuter. These colors are so pretty. All right, there we go. Coffee first. It doesn't matter. There's blacks and silvers and golds and rose gold. It's just very calming layout. And I really like that a lot. Okay. That's too big. How about... No, I'll do a silver display. Oh, you know what? Maybe. Trust your heart. Let's see if this works. I guess I could write over this way. No, that's way too big. Maybe I'll put it over the calendar. No. That's not going to work. Okay. One more sticker, and then this, what I'll do is, usually I like to do a quote, write a quote, or write a verse from the Bible. So I leave that empty. Maybe I'll put a little remember. No. Sorry, I'm being indecisive. I could do this picture of the coffee or that. Let's see. I really like this "You Are Enough." Did I put anything like that on here? No. "You Are Enough," but that's so big. Here's one. It says "You Were Golden." I do want to add some green to it. And this is a little big, but that's okay. It goes over just a little bit. Okay. So there we have it. This was a quick and easy. This is for my journaling. Erin Condren horizontal layout. And this is what I have. I'll bring it up closer. Sorry. It's a really pretty layout. This says it's a good day to have a good day. Do everything with love. So much love in your heart that you would never want to do it any other way. Design a life that you love. And then this one is just as relax. Hello weekend. Live more, worry less, which is what we should all do. Coffee first, and you are golden. So that's it for my journaling Erin Condren layout. And I hope you guys have a great week. And remember, every day is a good day to have a good day. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.